Hi, and welcome to my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. This is my Glam Bag box, which is very odd because it never came in a box before. Aw, well this box doesn't matter. That just happened from shipping issues. But I'm very curious to see what's inside. Now that I got it open with my key, let's see. To you, from you. A little gift for myself. Aww, discover yourself. That's cute. So these two products on the outside, these are my add-on products. I paid $3 each for them. And this first product is the Curl Friend by Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty. It is a defining curl cream, frizz fighting, curl defining, and glossy silk styling. And the expiration date for this, it has 24 months. Well, this product sounds interesting for curly hair, and I can't wait to try it. And this is a pretty good size too. Look at this compared to my hand. So my next product is Spot Patrol by Curology, and I've never tried anything by Curology before, but I've always seen their ads and how it clears up your skin, so I was very excited to try this once Ipsy offered it. So right here in the back, it mentions their custom formula that they're like known for, but it doesn't mention anything about the Spot Patrol, so I don't really know how to use it. I think I just put it over the pimples. Oh, it says it here. So Spot Patrol is a hydrocolloid patch that absorbs pus and oil, which is in the pimple. So that sounds really cool. It says to apply it before your Curology cream, but I don't have that though, but I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to get you to buy more. I don't know how much are in these packets. I hope it's more than 2. It's pretty big, so yeah. But it sounds really cool to use, and I'll let y'all know if it actually works. Okay, so now we're gonna open the bag on the inside with my actual glam bag. Same time next month. You got it, Ipsy. Oh my gosh. So this is the usual bag I get my glam bag in. I guess they gave me a box because the extra products couldn't fit. Okay. So here is a surprise. My March 2020 glam bag. Isn't this so cute? I love this color. And there was some extra products in here. I guess they all couldn't fit, but these products are part of my 5 sample subscription. Oh, but this month it came with 6 because it was Ipsy's 100th glam bag. So this first product is by LUXIE Beauty, and it is a Pro Precision Tapered brush. And over here you can see that it's the number 640. So sadly my brush did come like damaged, I guess, but it's not a big issue because I've gotten brushes like this before, and all I did was just cut off like those little hairs, and voila, it works like brand new. But besides that, the bristles are very soft, so I'm very excited to use it on my face. And this next product is by PACIFICA. It is wild hemp infused eyeshadows. Well, that's interesting. So this is what the package looks like. It's very cute. So the shades are Quartz, Dusty, Smoky Quartz, Tiger, and Crystal Flower. And these shades come from Tiger's Eye and Cosmic Reflect palettes. So that's cool that I get to try out both palettes. And it has an expiration date of 12 months. this packaging. It's shiny and very pretty. And it said the same thing on the back with the shades names. So these shades are very shiny and they look so pretty. And I'm gonna do a swatch for y'all. Will you look at that? That looks like some intergalactic shine. Ooh, I like how the like shine looks kind of purplish to me. Like it looks like a brown kind of shade, but it also has like a purple tone. And this is a matte brown, which looks really pretty. And I'm not very good at doing swatches, so don't blame me. And this next one is like a skin tone shine. Ooh, this could be good as a highlighter. That actually looks so beautiful. And this one too, inner eye highlight. Wow. That's pretty. And then this one's just like a matte skin tone color. And also, since these colors are all like a brown type shade, it may not show up that well on my skin tone, but maybe on others. I'm not sure. And also it comes with this little applicator, which would be cool to apply the shimmers. And since this palette is small, it's something portable that you can carry around with you. So now it's time to open my glam bag. 100 Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is really pretty. Let's see what's inside. So the first product I'm going to grab is, it's by Honey JARRET and it is Clean Whip Cleanser. It has an expiration date for 12 months and it says that it removes dirt, pollution, and makeup and keeps your skin bright, nourished, and perfectly balanced. Well, I'm really glad I got a cleanser because I ran out of the one I have. And also it's a good size too compared to the other bottle I just received. Next product. This is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. It's kind of hard to pick up on here, but I hope you can see it. Now, this bottle looks smaller than the other bottle products I got. And it has an expiration date for 6 months. But it doesn't really say much about the primer, but I understand that it's hydrating. So I guess that's all we need to know. I would have liked some description though. My next product is by POLAAR. And it's night cream. Wonder what language this is. Let me know in the comments. So it has an expiration date of 12 months. And I'm not really sure what the night cream does. It says that your skin gets smoother, glows, and to apply it on clean, dry skin. And it has POLAAR natural extracts. So I have no idea what that is, and I hope my skin looks better. The size is good on this one. It's bigger than the Tarte primer, but it's smaller than my other bottle products. And for my last product, it is my OFRA bronzer. So I actually picked this product myself because Ipsy allows us to pick one product out of the 5 that we receive. But for this time it was 1 out of the 6, and I decided to pick this bronzer because I've been needing bronzer and I've never used OFRA, but I heard it's a really good brand, so I'm excited to see. In the back here, it says it's the OFRA bronzer in the shade Americano. It doesn't have any expiration dates, but I'm not worried because I never pay attention to those, to be honest. But anyways, this shade looks so pretty. I'm gonna try to swatch this, but when I swatched it, I didn't remember to blend it, so forgive me for that. But other than that, it looks really pretty, and it looks like a nice shimmery shade to go like on my cheeks, you know. And that was my last product in the bag. Just gotta make sure. And I also got this from Ipsy. It's like a little informative. So right here it talks about their giveaways, that they have one every day for products, cash prizes, and more. So that sounds really fun. I've already entered in some, and so should y'all. Go follow them on their social media. And on the back here, it talks about having the celebration for their 100th glam bag. That they put an extra product for us, which I'm really stoked about. So it's time to have some fun with all these products. And on the inside, it provides some insight on the products that I have received. Like for this OFRA Cosmetics bronzer, it retails at $35. And considering that I only paid $12 for my glam bag, I am in shock. And this LUXIE Beauty Periwinkle Pro Precision Tapered Brush, wow, that's a long name, retails at $24. And it's crazy, it's because I got the full size brush, because there's no way to get me like a trial brush, I guess. So I'm basically getting that $24 brush in my $12 glam bag. Wow. Next is the Honey JARRET Clean Whip Cleanser, and this product for the full size, it retails at $18. And with reading this insight, it says that it prevents breakouts, which is good for me. So thanks Ipsy for taking into account my beauty quiz. And next, this POLAAR night cream. The full size retails at $48.76. Gosh, oh my gosh, what is in that POLAAR cream that it costs so much? But I'm excited to try some luxury brand, I guess. Second to last is the TARTE Quench Hydrating Primer, and I've never ever tried Tarte before, but I'm excited. This retails at $32 because I don't buy anything expensive. But it says it should keep me hydrated for up to 12 hours, which is very exciting to try. So lastly, it's the PACIFICA Beauty Wild Hemp Eyeshadow Palette. And it doesn't mention the price on a full-size product, so I don't know if they sell this product alone. But this product costs $9, which is almost how much I paid for the entire glam bag. So win-win for me. And those were all the products I received with my glam bag subscription, not including the 2 add-ons I purchased. And here's the inside of the bag. It's a nice pretty green, and I see the little Ipsy logo. So if after watching this you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta sign up, my link is going to be in the description so that I can get some points for you signing up, and so that you can get your 5 products. And those are all my products. Thank you for watching my glam bag unboxing. Let me know what y'all think, if y'all want more unboxing videos, because I got one more coming. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!